For 2 years, 2 months, and 2 days, author Henry David Thoreau lived in a small cabin he built himself on Walden Pond, Massachusetts, where he grew up. In a 10-foot by 15-foot space on the shore of the lake, Thoreau isolated himself from society to find inspiration in nature and his roots. His experiences in the cabin made him appreciate the essentials in life and reflect on the meaning of existence. This simple life changed his perspective, leading him to advocate for social issues later in life. Just as the frog changes when he enters and exits the pond, his time at Walden Pond also changed him profoundly. La Casa del Sapo is an architectural project rooted in programmatic needs, while reflecting context, community, and responsibility towards future generations. The project evolved naturally even before it was physically realized, growing from intuition and signs that guided its path. More than a building, La Casa del Sapo serves as a symbol of unification, opening doors for interaction and building bridges between people who should be connected. It is not only a work of architecture, but also a legacy for a community created with a far-sighted vision. La Casa del Sapo is an inclusive and warm home for all, a place where unity, security, and togetherness are at the heart. It is a family home, a shelter and a center for the community to gather. A welcoming and open space, La Casa del Sapo serves as a learning space for children, a place where they swim and release turtles into the sea, and a fruit garden where everyone can enjoy food and drink, including mezcal with friends. This house is not just a physical place, but a space for growth, sharing, and respect. Pau and Mario's home also teaches the importance of respecting place, where the reciprocal interaction between home and community allows for acceptance and togetherness. This house is designed in harmony with its natural surroundings, as if the place itself dictates its architecture. Situated between two rocks facing the sea, one welcoming the sunrise, the other the sunset, the house takes advantage of the space between the rocks to reveal the ocean views and the beauty of the Oxaquena coast. The design creates a flexible and adaptive space, allowing the occupants to embrace it according to their own lifestyle, making this house not just a place to live, but a reflection of the natural beauty and life within. The materials used in this project were selected taking into account the expertise and skills of the workers, as well as the commitment to environmental and social sustainability. During the construction process, some decisions were left to the workers, especially due to the challenges of the pandemic that had to be faced together. Each worker relied on their wisdom and will in every step of the construction, making this a close and flexible collaboration. This is a project involving many people, where their contribution is invaluable, especially in the face of the impact of a virus that affects everyone's lives. La Casa del Sapo is a project that gives meaning and transformation, inspiring anyone who comes to feel the desire to share and be part of its community. Located in Zapotengo, this place leaves a deep impression that remains in the memory, like the stones that decorate the pool, in line with Sumter's philosophy. This project, like many others that will emerge, is a symbol of how people are now more open to seeing their surroundings, encouraging connection and meaningful contribution to the environment and community.